Well, okay, so Mommy, pour the tea for Dahlia, please. This is our second tea party. We had one last May, and we're having one this May.
This tea party is great.
Good,
You know,
Scramps.
I was invited to Dahlia's second tea party, and it's really a lot of fun. Thanks, Dahlia.
And Scramps, could you introduce our guests?
Our guests here are, of course, the hostess with the mostest, Dahlia. This is Dahlia's mother, Vanessa.
Hello, I'm so happy to be invited.
Dahlia's
It's really
little
an honor
brother,
to be here.
Max.
Who's kind of ruining the party, if you know what I
He's
mean.
right into it.
And who are these guests?
This is Esmeralda. She was here last year. Chef Louis was here last year. And this is little Dahlia. Baby Dahlia. Was he here? Was she here last year?
No, she wasn't here.
She wasn't, but she's a first timer.
Was he here last year?
Who?
Curious George.
Curious George? No, he wasn't.
Hi. Who was that?
I'm Curious
I'm
George.
glad you're here, Curious George. And Grandma.
And Grandma's here. Hi, Grandma.
Love you, Grandma.
And I'm Scrampa.
We're all glad to be at Dahlia's second tea party.
Oh,
Thank you. Thanks
Thanks,
for
Dahlia.
having us, Dahlia.
she's going to get some more water there.
A little bit more.
A little more tea, Dahlia?
This tea is so good.
It's delicious.
Bye.
I really like it.
Is it decaf or regular
That's
tea?
one way to get her to drink WAT.
Is it the decaf?